Coaching Classes YouTube channel. To get more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the next points of the chapter Probability of 10th Standard Mathematics Part 1st. The next points are, first point is favorable outcomes. Means that the result which is favorable for us means the outcomes satisfying the particular conditions are called as the favorable outcomes. Then the events, a set of favorable outcomes. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is called as an event. Set of favorable outcomes of the sample space is an event. Students, events are subsets of the sample space. Events are generally denoted by using capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. Now student, we have to take types of events. We have to discuss such type of events in chapter set. Now the first one is a certain event, or it is also called as sure events. Means that every element of sample space is present in event, then it is called as the certain event or sure events. Then impossible events. This word tells us that there is no element present in sample space. It is called as the impossible events. Simple or elementary events means that the event containing only one element of the sample space is called as the elementary events. Then complement of an event means that sample space is given and one event is given. The element present in sample space but not in A means that event. Then these elements are called as the complement of that event. Okay. Then mutually exclusive events. If two events are given, if their intersection of these two events is 5, intersection of these two events is 5, then it is called as mutually exclusive events. And the last topic is exhaustive events. Means that two events are given, the union of that two events is a sample space. Union of the two events is a sample space, then it is called as the exhaustive events. Okay, we take the practice set. Let's see the practice set 5.3. The question is that write the sample space S and number of the sample point n of S for each of the following experiment. Also write the events A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B and n of C. The first question is that one die is rolled. Event A, even number on the upper face, event B, odd number on the upper face, and event C, prime number on the upper face. Now student, the solution of such question is so simple. Here is one die is rolled. One die is rolled. At that time, therefore, the sample space is S is equals to, a die is rolled means that there are 6 numbers on this die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore student, number of S is equals to how much? 6. Then we take the first event, event A. This event is that even number on the upper face. Even number on the upper face. Now look here, is which are the even numbers here? So I have write here set A is here. Even numbers are, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Out of this even is 2, 4 and 6. Means that number of A is how much? 3. Okay, this is the number of A here. Then we have to write second one is event B. This event is that odd numbers on the upper face. Odd numbers on the upper space. Now D. Out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5. Mean that number of B is equals to how much? 5. Then we take event C. Event C is prime number on the upper face. Prime number on the upper face. Now look carefully. Here is which is the prime number. Now all of you know that the first prime number is here. Out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first prime number is 2, which is even also. Then 3 and then 5. Mean that therefore number of C is also equals to how much? 3. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the second question. This question second is, two dice are rolled simultaneously. Now student, events A is given here. The sum of the digit on the upper faces is multiple of 6. Then event B, the sum of the digit on the upper faces is minimum 10. Third one is the same digit on both the upper faces. Now its solution is. Now here is two dice are rolled. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Then the sample spaces. Look here, I have to write here sample space S is equals to, in curly bracket, we take 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Then I have write here 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. Mean that when we count here, number of sample space is 6, 6 are 36. Then we take all events here, event A. This event A tells us that the sum of the digit, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Therefore, I have to take its sample space. For event A is multiple of 6. Now, first one is, means here, multiple of 6 means sum of this, means their sum is multiple of 6, means that 6, 12, 18 and so on. Means that 1 plus 5 becomes 6, so the first pair is 1 and 5. Then, second one is 2 and 4. Because 2 plus 4 becomes 6. Then here is 3 and 3. Then 4 and 2, then 5 and 1, then 6 and 6, because 6 plus 6 become 12. Then this number is, therefore number of A is equals to how much? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then event B. Event B is that sum of the digit on the upper faces is minimum 10. Means that sum is minimum 10. Now here is in this uppermost face there is minimum is 7 here. Then this becomes here 5 plus 2 is 7. Then again here is 8. Then next one is 3 plus 6 is 9 here. Then we take here 4 plus 6. First one is mean that B is equals to event is uppermost minimum 4 and 6. First there is 4 and 6. Then here is 5, 5. Then 5, 6, 11. Here is minimum 10, means that you take also 11 here. Then 6, 4. Then 6, 5. And last one is 6, 6. Means that number of B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then student, event C. The same digit on both the upper faces. The same digits on both the upper face. Now C is the event same digits, means that 1, 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3, then 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. Means that number of C is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Can you understand it? We take the next question. The next question is question 3. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Then the condition for A event to get at least 2 head, at least 2 head. Condition for B to get no head, and condition for event C is to get head on second coin. Now student, its solutions. Here is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. At that time, the sample space is, therefore, the sample space is S is equals to, look carefully student, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, means that first one is H, H, H. Then second H, H, T. Then H, T take middle as H. Then T, H, H. Look here, first I have to remove this one, T, then take middle, then take first. Then next one is H, T, T. Then transfer this H to this another portion. Mean that T, H, T. Then we write here T, T, H. And then last one is remove this H, then T, T, T. This is the sample space where 3 coins are tossed. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Therefore, N of S is equals to how much? 8. Then here is condition for event A. Condition for event A is to get at least 2 head. To get at least by using this, I have to write here yet, then yet, t, then yet, and then t, yet. So that number of a is equals to how much? 4. Then condition for event B is here to get no head. To get no head. To get no head. Therefore, there is no head. Means that only tail means TTT here. So T. Means that number of B is equals to how much? 1. Then condition for event C. Event C is to get head on the second coin. To get head on the second coin. Now, mean that we have to take here H on its second coin. Here means here is first one is H. Here is middle coin, means that second coin is H. So C, first one is H. Then here is also in middle, mean that second H here. Then here is also H is on second here coin. Then here is also H on second coin. Then there is no other. So that